Hi, I'm Eugene from ReverseSafe, but you can call me Careful Eugene. Reversing cameras for the commercial sector. Why installing reversing cameras make business sense. Business owners and entrepreneurs are faced with everyday decisions that relate to the operations of their businesses, from procurement, manufacturing, distribution to collections. Its most precious assets, the drivers and commercial vehicles, often operate in highly demanding schedules, all in the pursuit of meeting customer demands, stakeholder requirements, and boosting the bottom line. Unfortunately, in an effort to cover grounds on time and meet sales projections, drivers and employees on the ground neglect a critical aspect of doing business safety. And in many cases, drivers and business owners only pay attention to the safety hazards and checkups when these accidents occur. This should not be the case when running a commercial business. As a business owner, it pays to cover all business requirements, including the safety requirements of its resources, from the best safety practices of employees and workers to the vehicle safety technology that is fitted on trucks and vans like reversing cameras. Investing in this equipment and technology may be costly, but the protection and peace of mind that it brings are priceless. Need any assistance? Contact ReverseSafe today via our free call number, 1300-987-355.